Hello everyone, welcome to the Beauty Show channel, where curves shine on the runway. Before we dive into today's amazing feature, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your fashion-loving friends. Today, we're thrilled to delve into the remarkable journey of Leticia Moscoso, a rising plus-size model who is changing beauty standards and empowering countless individuals worldwide with confidence, authenticity, and self-love. Leticia Moscoso is widely celebrated for her vibrant personality, curvy figure, and fearless approach to fashion. She represents a new generation of plus-size models who assert that beauty comes in many shapes, sizes, and forms. From the outset of her journey, she recognized that her body was not a limitation, but rather a source of strength. This belief laid the groundwork for her career in modeling and digital content creation. As she grew up, Leticia encountered many of the same obstacles that many women face: societal pressure, unrealistic beauty ideals, and constant comparisons. Rather than allowing these challenges to hinder her, she chose to rise above them. She embraced her natural curves and began showcasing her style, lifestyle, and self-confidence on social media. Her genuine and relatable content quickly gained traction, leading to organic growth in her audience. As a plus-size model, Leticia Moscoso is renowned for her distinctive fashion sense. She seamlessly combines elegance with contemporary trends, demonstrating that curvy bodies can look fabulous in everything from casual attire to glamorous outfits. Her photo shoots often emphasize body positivity, confidence, and natural beauty, establishing her as a role model for women learning to love themselves as they are. Beyond her modeling career, Leticia is also a powerful advocate for self-acceptance. She frequently utilizes her platform to promote positive body image, mental wellness, and self-respect. Her message is straightforward: confidence begins from within. This empowering mindset has enabled her to cultivate a devoted fan base that appreciates not only her appearance but also her values and authenticity. Leticia Moscoso's impact extends far beyond the realm of fashion. Brands and photographers value her professionalism, creativity, and her knack for engaging with audiences. She embodies a transformation in the fashion world, one that is increasingly inclusive, diverse, and authentic. Her journey serves as a beacon of inspiration for aspiring models, particularly those who have been told they don't conform to conventional standards. Today, Leticia continues to thrive as a plus-size model and digital creator. With each post, collaboration, and appearance, she shines,